Pete from Groblersdal asks a good question. If he starts a fire, why does it not just keep going until all the oxygen in the air is used up? To answer this, we first need to understand what fire is. Although we think of fire as its own thing, it is in fact a chemical reaction between the fuel and the oxygen in the air. This reaction is very what we call exothermic, which means a lot of energy is given off when it takes place. This is why fires give off heat and light. The flame itself is the gaseous region of the fire where the reaction is taking place. In bushfires, the redder the flame, the less oxygen available, and generally, the lower the temperature. For this chemical reaction to take place, the fire needs both sides of the equation. It needs fuel, typically containing organic matter, which is made up mostly of carbon and hydrogen chains, and it needs the oxygen in the air. As it burns, the carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, or CO2, and the hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water, or H2O. Both of these are greenhouse gases, which is why burning fuel contributes to global warming. Often, additional carbon is left behind in the form of ash and soot. We know that if we rob a fire of oxygen, it will go out. There is no longer the oxygen available on the one side of the equation, and so the chemical reaction ends. Similarly, if we allow all of the fuel to be used up, so the fire also ends. There is no longer anything left to combine with the oxygen in the air. That is why a candle eventually burns down and why your car runs out of petrol.